So this is my Super A 3-point hitch conversion that I've watched several videos on YouTube, but they didn't do it quite like I wanted to, so I had to make this arm. It had the small one, which I didn't like because I was having a heck of a time getting the rod to line up without hitting the fender. So I cut the old one off and made a new one. Had to re-weld the arms. It had been abused and they were cracked. Had been repaired, but not very good. So for my third arm hook, that was the biggest thing. I used the bolts around the axle for an anchor point. Plus on this belt pulley was right in the way. So I built this plate because I also wanted it to tie into the crossbar to give it a little more support. That's a 4.5-inch post cap to go around the gear. So the brackets for around the axles are just like that. That's my template I made to give you an idea. And they're both the same in and out, thank goodness. Bolt pattern's the same. So you can see those are 7/16 bolts. And it's going to give me room to put I'm going to put a plate across that open space there to have it'll extend the floorboard on back. And that's a little better view of my anchor points. I wanted enough support on this thing that I wasn't going to break nothing, regardless of how stupid that one can be with a tractor. So I made them stubs, which is a 7/8, I believe, and I turned them down to go through that. I think that's 5/8, and welded them onto that, and then welded it on to the base plate, which covers the 3 holes back here, and left it long enough that if I wanted to weld something else onto it, I could do that. So just thought I'd show y'all what I've been doing. Maybe the next guy won't have to go from scratch like I did, but I think it's going to work. So if you're doing one of these, good luck. Sure makes it a lot more useful with a 3-point on the back of it. On to the garden.